what happens if you have a report that won't fit in the confines of your drawing, won't fit inside the title block. So I'm going to put together a wire from to report for the whole project and make it big. So as you can see right here, right now, if I were to just to drop that in as is, it doesn't fit inside my drawing. So I have to break it up into sections and rows. Let me do it again. All locations. So we have row definition, section definition on the right side of the dialog box here. So I'm going to say I want 70 rows. And as soon as you type in number of rows you want and you hit enter on your keyboard, then the definition becomes live. I'll say, give me 2 sections, and I'm going to take a guess, let's say, at the XY values for the table. So now you can see it'll comfortably fit inside of here. But as you can see, the Y value on my placement when I put it into the drawing is off. And this is where, you know, you got to tinker sometimes with the numbers till you get it exactly right. But most people will come up with a standard, lock the numbers in for whatever tables they're breaking up. And now, as you can see, it lines up nicely. Now, my real tool tip, everybody might know about that already. My real tool tip is, and I didn't know this for the longest time. Everybody out there might already know this, but I'm going to blank out the X and Y values for the placement of the table itself, because that can be a pain, messing with those numbers till you get it exact. Well, if you leave it blank, it puts the first one in, and then you can just line it up, you know, with the next one, instead of having to guess around at the numbers. That's the real tip and trick there, if nobody knew that. Yeah, sometimes you want the numbers. You want to be consistent. Totally get that. Other times it's like, I don't care. I need the 2 sections. I'd like to at least get them lined up together. Blank out the XY value for the distances, and you're good to go.